The concerned Christian Youth Forum don beg federal government make dem do something fast about the continuous attack on Christian leaders across the country. Adam Paul, wey be the convener of the group, tok dis one as e dey address tori pipo for Abuja. He tok say Christians still dey committed to peace and unity, but the non-stop attack, slander and defamation against Christian and religious leaders don dey spoil the image of Christian faith. Adama come beg government make dem make sure say religious freedom go dey protected for everybody, no matter the religion wey person dey follow. He thank the government for the Forest Guard initiative, but he still tok say dem need to give these guards better tools and resources to help them work well. He also beg security agencies make dem do more work and join hand with other government bodies to stop the violence once and for all.
From social media platforms to other outlets, we have seen a growing trend of misinformation and hate speech that seek to undermine the integrity of Christianity and its leaders. These attacks are not isolated incidents, but rather a concerted effort to marginalize and stigmatize our faith. They represent a dangerous form of discrimination that cannot be tolerated in a democracy that values religious freedom and diversity. Our investigation has revealed that the relentless attacks on Christianity and its leaders are part of a larger, well-funded campaign orchestrated by a group of persons who thought they are above the law. Notable among them is Omoyole Sowore and his collaborators, and we have also real talk with Auntie Aduni. You have a lot of them, Pastor Gist with Lady P. You have some people like you call Peter Boinlo, Abraham Daniel, all manner. Their ultimate goals appears to be the incitement of religious conflict with the potential to devastate our nation and its people. This is not merely a case of isolated incident or misunderstandings, but rather a deliberate attempt to undermine our unity and sow seed of discord among our different faith denominations. We therefore call on all Nigerians, regardless of faith, to condemn these attacks and demand accountability for those responsible. We also urge the government to ensure that the right to religious freedom is upheld and protected for all citizens, regardless of their beliefs. As Christians, we remain committed to peace and unity, but we will not stand idle by while our faith and our leaders are under siege. Once again, this unwarranted attack against our faith and the Christian leaders must stop immediately. We wish to use this opportunity too to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Nigerian government for the recent implementation of the Forest Guard initiative, which we believe will prove to be an effective tool in combating the security challenges our nation currently faces. The creation of this force is a step in the right direction, as it will provide a much-needed layer of protection for our communities and resources. We commend the government for taking this proactive measure and for demonstrating a commitment to safeguarding the safety and well-being of its citizens. While we applaud the government for its effort to establish the Forest Guard, we also stress the importance of equipping these forces with the necessary tools and resources to effectively defend our communities. In light of the continued threat posed by killers hiding in the bushes, we demand that the Forest Guard be adequately armed and prepared to confront these perpetrators. They must be given the necessary training, equipment, and support to prevent these vicious attacks, which have left countless lives shattered and communities living in fear. Only by providing our guards with the ability to effectively combat this threat can we begin to restore peace and security to our communities. We extend our heartfelt thanks to the various security agencies for their continued dedication and bravery in fighting against the rampant insecurity that plagues our nation. Their unwavering commitment to our safety and well-being is a source of inspiration and hope. However, as we recognize their valiant effort, we also urge these agencies to redouble their efforts to bring these senseless acts of violence to an end. The security and peace of our communities must be restored, and we stand ready to support their effort in any way we can. Together, we can triumph over the forces of fear and hatred that seek to undermine our nation's progress and stability.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimo, TMC News.